Welcome back to Pivot Online, your go-to source for unlocking the secrets of making money from the comfort of your home. In today's video, we're about to spill the beans on 9 incredibly effortless online methods that could help you pocket $600 or more each day in 2023. eBay dropshipping. Ever heard of eBay dropshipping? It's a savvy method to make money online without ever touching the products. Here's the deal. You scout eBay for items selling below their market value, then work your magic. Create a new listing with stellar images and descriptions that could make even the most mundane toaster sound like a treasure. Now here's the trick. You sell these revamped listings for a tidy profit, all without having to handle the actual products. It's like being the middleman between buyers and sellers, and it's known as dropshipping. So if you've got an eye for hidden gems and a knack for marketing, eBay dropshipping might just be your ticket to online earnings in 2023. Drop servicing Upwork and Fiverr. Let's talk about a nifty way to boost your income on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. It's called drop servicing. Here's the scoop. You hunt for talented freelancers offering their services at budget-friendly rates. Then, you put on your entrepreneur hat and create your own service listings, offering those same services at a slightly higher price to clients seeking quality work. It's like matchmaking for freelancers and clients, with a dash of profit. You don't have to be the one doing the work, but you're the one reaping the rewards. So, if you've got a keen eye for spotting talent and a knack for client relations, drop servicing on Upwork and Fiverr could be your golden ticket to boosting your earnings in 2023. Proofreading. Guru.com with ChatGPT. Hey there, ever thought about offering proofreading services with a high-tech twist? AI tools like ChatGPT can supercharge your proofreading game, helping you polish texts swiftly and accurately. Imagine having a virtual proofreader by your side, catching those pesky typos and grammar slips in a flash. It's like having a personal grammar guru. Now, where to offer your skills? Look no further than Guru.com, a platform where you can showcase your proofreading prowess to potential clients. It's the perfect place to connect with folks who need your expertise. So, if you're ready to up your proofreading game in 2023, consider teaming up with AI and Guru.com to make your mark in the editing world. Transcribing. Rev.com with Rhythmex. Want to turn your knack for listening into earnings? Check this out. You can dive into the world of transcription by becoming a freelancer on platforms like Rev.com. AI tools like Rhythmax.com make your job a breeze. They effortlessly convert audio into text, so you can transcribe like a pro without breaking a sweat. Just listen, click, and presto, you've got text ready for your clients. It's like having a trusty sidekick that handles the heavy lifting. And with platforms like Rev.com, you can connect with clients in need of your transcription skills. If you're up for an exciting online earning gig in 2023, transcribing with AI might be your calling. Content creation. YouTube with InVideo AI. Ever thought about becoming a YouTube sensation but don't have hours to spend on video editing? Well, here's the scoop. You can harness the power of AI with InVideo AI to create stunning video content for your YouTube channel in a snap. Imagine having a creative sidekick that crafts videos quickly and easily, leaving you more time to focus on your content. Now here's the exciting part. Once your YouTube channel takes off, you can cash in through AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products. It's like turning your passion into a paycheck. So whether you're a vlogging newbie or a seasoned content creator, consider the AI advantage and explore the world of YouTube monetization in 2023. Your audience and your wallet will thank you. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money. Website creation with 10web.io. Ready to step into the world of web design without learning a single line of code? Enter 10web.io, your secret weapon for creating stunning professional websites with the power of AI. Here's the lowdown. You simply answer a few questions, and voila. 10web.io generates a complete website tailored to your specifications. It's like having a virtual web developer at your beck and call. You can turn this into a money-making gig, Take those beautifully crafted websites and sell them to clients looking for a digital presence. It's like flipping digital real estate. So whether you're an aspiring webpreneur or just want to dip your toes into web design, 10web.io is your ticket to creating and selling websites effortlessly in 2023. Investing with Webull. Ever dreamed of getting into the world of stock trading without breaking the bank? Well, meet Webull, your ticket to the stock market. Webull is an investment platform that gives you the chance to snag free stocks just for signing up and making an initial deposit. It's like getting a piece of the stock market pie without spending a dime. Plus, Webull offers a user-friendly interface and a wealth of investment tools to help you make informed choices. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just testing the waters, Webull's free stocks sweeten the deal. So, if you've been itching to dive into the world of stocks and investing, Webull might be the perfect starting point in 2023. Podcast editing with Clean Voice AI. Ready to dive into the world of podcast editing without the hassle? You can offer podcast editing services on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and supercharge your efficiency with AI tools like Clean Voice AI. Picture this. You focus on your creative side while Clean Voice AI takes care of the nitty-gritty editing work. It's like having a digital editing wizard in your corner. So, whether you're a seasoned audio editor or just starting out, this combo of freelancing and AI can make your podcast editing gig smoother and more profitable. Get ready to turn your love for audio into a thriving online business in 2023. Short-form content affiliate marketing. Looking for a snappy way to boost your income? Try short-form content affiliate marketing. You create bite-sized, engaging videos that resonate with your audience. Then, you strategically incorporate affiliate links into your content. When your viewers click on those links and make purchases, you earn commissions. It's like being a digital salesperson, but way cooler. Plus, with the rise of platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, short-form video content is all the rage. So, if you've got a creative streak and a passion for promoting products or services you believe in, this might just be your ticket to online earnings in 2023. It's quick, fun, and potentially lucrative, a win-win. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.